Hi everyone, today we will solve the problem number 3rd on the surplus capital method of the piecemeal distribution of the cash. Following is the balance sheet of A, B and C partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. They decided to dissolve their business on 31st March 2019, on which date their balance sheet were as follows. Liability side: A's capital rupees 18,000, B's capital rupees 36,000, C's capital rupees 24,000, profit and loss rupees 6,000, creditors rupees 10,000 and Mrs. B's loan rupees 10,000. Then asset side: fixed asset 51,000, current assets 28,000, banks balance 25,000. As per the agreement with their bank, the partners were entitled to withdraw rupees 4,000 immediately and balance rupees 21,000 could be drawn only after 30th March 2019. The following were realization. Date: on 31st January 2019, the fixed asset 20,000 and current asset 5,000 realized. On the 20th February 2019, fixed asset realized at 20,000 and current asset realized at 16,000. Then on 31st March 2019, fixed assets realized at 9,000 and current asset at 3,000. Prepare statement showing distribution of cash as per surplus capital method. So earlier we discussed that we have to see first which method is given. So here surplus capital method is given. So first we have to calculate surplus capital. So let's draw the format: statement showing surplus capital, particulars and the partners column. So in this problem there are three partners A, B and C. So we take three partners column and first column is particular. So in first line we take capital balances. So capital balances, capital balance. The A's capital 18,000, B's capital 36,000, 18,000, B's capital 36,000, then C's capital 24,000. After adding the capital, we have to add any profit or loss. If there is any reserve, it is also added in the capital as per their profit sharing ratio. So in this problem there is profit and loss rupees 6,000. If profit and loss account is in liability side, then it is profit. If profit and loss in asset side, it is loss. So this is profit 6,000. So it should be distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. So 3 profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. It means 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 6,000 divided by 6 is equal to 1,000. So 1,000 for 1 ratio. So 1,000 given to the C, then 1,000 into 2, 2,000 to B and 1,000 into 3, 3,000 to A. So we will add profit and loss. So we have already calculated rupees 1,000 for C, 2,000 for B and 3,000 for A. हे बघा आपलं जे टोटल प्रॉफिट आहे 6,000 आणि जो प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो आहे या ठिकाणी 3:2:1. तर यांची ॲडिशन केल्यानंतर 6 येणार आहे. त्यामुळे आपण 6,000 डिवायडेड बाय 6, त्यानंतर जे अमाऊंट येणार आहे 1000 एका रेशोसाठी, तर जो शेवटचा पार्टनर आहे त्याला 1000, त्याच्यानंतर जो सेकंड पार्टनर आहे बी त्याला 1000 इंटू 2000, आणि जो एक नंबरचा जो पार्टनर आहे त्याचा रेशो 3 आहे, म्हणजे 1000 इंटू 3000. या पद्धतीने आपण डिस्ट्रीब्युशन केलेलं आहे. 3000, 2000 आणि 1000. Then it is called as adjusted capital. After adding profit and loss in the capital becomes adjusted capital. So addition of these 21,000, then 38,000 and 25,000. So for the calculation we will take adjusted capital. So after this we will take profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. So in the problem, profit sharing ratio given 3:2:1. 3:2:1. So after taking profit sharing ratio, we will divide it by this amount by profit sharing ratio. 21,000 divided by 3, 38,000 divided by 2, and 25,000 divided by 1. Here 7,000, 21,000 divided by 3, 7,000, 38,000 divided by 2, 19,000, and 25,000 divided by 1, same 25,000. So this is called unit capital. After dividing the capital by their profit sharing ratio, it is unit capital. So from the unit capital we take least amount from all these three. So here least amount is 7,000. So 7,000 we will take as a base. 7,000 we will take as a base. So taking A's capital as a base, because 7,000 is unit capital of A, so we taken A's capital as base. Then 7,000 into 3, 21,000. 7,000 into 2, 14,000, and 7,000 into 1, 7,000. We multiply this amount into all the ratio. 7,000 into 3, 21, 7,000 into 2, 14, 7,000 into 1, 7,000. Then we will deduct this amount from this amount. So 21,000 minus 21,000, nil. Then 38,000 minus 14,000, 24,000. Then 25,000 minus 7,000, 18,000. So this is surplus capital. We have to calculate absolute surplus, so we will again calculate unit capital. So we will divide it by the profit sharing ratio. 24,000 divided by 2, 12,000, and 18,000 divided by 1, 18,000. So from the unit capital we take least amount. So here is 12,000 is least amount. So 12,000 the unit capital of B. So we will take B as base. So taking B's capital as a base. So B's capital is 12,000 unit capital. Then we will multiply this amount into their profit sharing ratio. So 12,000 into 2, 24,000, 12,000 into 1, 12,000. And here is balance nil, so this amount not considered. So So 24,000 minus 24,000, the balance nil. Then 18,000 minus 12,000, balance rupees 6,000. So this is surplus and it is called as absolute surplus. Absolute surplus. So while calculating distribution of cash, after paid all the liabilities, we have to pay first absolute surplus. Then secondly, we have to pay surplus capital, and lastly, we have to pay adjusted capital. We will calculate piecemeal distribution of cash. So this is the format of statement showing distribution of cash. First column is particular, then cash. These two columns are same for every problem. Then creditors, Mrs. B's loan, and A, B and C's capital. So these two columns should be arranged as per the order of payment. So in this order of payment, realization expenses not in the problem, preferential creditor also not given, secure creditor also not given, unsecured creditor. So these two liabilities are unsecured creditor, included in unsecured creditor. Creditors and Mrs. B's loan are unsecured creditors. लक्षात घ्या, ज्यावेळेस पार्टनरचं लोन असतं त्यावेळेस ते आपण 5 नंबरला पेड करतो, पण पार्टनरच्या वाईफचं जर लोन असेल तर ते आपण 4th नंबरला पेड करतो. म्हणजेच पार्टनरच्या वाईफचं लोन असेल तर ते अनसिक्युअर क्रेडिटरमध्ये इन्क्लुडेड होतं. एवढी गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या. तर ह्या ठिकाणी मिसेस बीचं लोन आहे आणि क्रेडिटर आहे, तर ह्या दोन्ही पण सेम आहेत, एकाच याच्यामध्ये जातात, एकाच कॅटेगरीमध्ये जातात, म्हणजेच अनसिक्युअर क्रेडिटरमध्ये जातात. त्यामुळे आपण ते एकाच वेळेस पेमेंट करणार आहोत. So first we take balances. Cash, there is no cash balance, so cash balance nil. Then creditors 10,000, Mrs. B's loan 10,000. Then A's capital 18,000, B's capital 36,000 and C's capital 24,000. After that we will add profit and loss. So earlier we have distributed profit and loss to the A 3,000, to the B 2,000 and to the C 1,000. So we will take from here to the A 3,000, to the B 2,000 and to the C 1,000. So after adding this amount will be 21,000, 38,000 and 25,000. Here balance is 10,000, 10,000. These are the balances. So in the adjustment, look here, as per the agreement with their bank, the partners were entitled to withdraw rupees 4,000 immediately and balance rupees 21,000 could be drawn only after 30th March 2019. It means rupees 4,000 can be immediately withdrawn. We have bank balance, see here, 25,000. We have 25,000 in the bank, but we can only withdraw rupees 4,000 now, and others remaining balance will be withdrawn after 31st March 2019. It means after the last realization we can withdraw rupees 21,000 and now we can withdraw rupees only 4,000. So we will withdraw rupees 4,000 only. So here we can withdraw rupees 4,000. So now we have rupees 4,000 cash balance. So we will pay the liabilities, creditors and Mrs. B's loan. Less pay to creditors and Mrs. B's loan. हे बघा, ह्या ठिकाणी जे क्रेडिटर्स आहेत आणि मिसेस बीज लोन हे दोन्ही पण अनसिक्युअर क्रेडिटरमध्ये जातात. म्हणजे त्यांचे जे ऑर्डर ऑफ पेमेंट आहे दोघांचं पण 4th नंबरला आहे अनसिक्युअर क्रेडिटरमध्ये. म्हणजे एका स्टेपमध्ये त्यांना पेमेंट करायचे आहे. अशा केसमध्ये आपण काय करतो की त्यांची जी अमाऊंट आहे त्यांच्या रेशोनुसार आपण त्यांना पेमेंट करतो. मग क्रेडिटर 10,000 आहे आणि मिसेस बी चं जे लोन आहे ते 10,000 आहे. तर याला आपण डिवाइड केलं 10,000 तर रेशो येणार आहे त्यांचा 1:1. सो वी विल पेमेंट टू द क्रेडिटर अँड मिसेस बीज लोन in the ratio 1:1. 10,000 divided by 10,000 1, 10,000 divided by 10,000 divided by 1. So ratio will be 1:1. So rupees 4,000 will be distributed as per 1:1, 2,000 to the creditors and Mrs. B 2,000. So we will subtract from it. Here is balance 0, 8,000, 8,000, 21,000, 38,000 and 25,000. So now here is no cash balance, so we will take first installment. So on 31st January 2019 the first realization was made. Fixed asset 20,000 and current asset 5,000. It means total 25,000. Realization 25,000. So we will pay first these two liabilities. So less paid to creditors and Mrs. B's loan. आता ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 16,000 पेड करायचे आहेत आणि आपल्याकडे जास्त पैसे शिल्लक आहेत. त्यामुळे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशोने पेड करण्याची गरज नाही. ओनली वी हॅव टू पे रुपीज 16,000 बिकॉज वी हॅव more amount, more cash available, 25,000. In last step we have only 4,000, so we paid this amount by their profit sharing, by their sharing ratio. So sharing ratio 1:1. Here 8,000 and 8,000, total 16,000 we have paid. So here is nil balance, 21,000, 38,000 and 25,000. Yeah, 9,000. Balances 9,000. We have 9,000 cash balance. So all the liabilities are paid. Now we have to pay capital balances. So firstly we will pay absolute surplus. So C's rupees 6,000 is absolute surplus. So firstly we will pay rupees 6,000 to the partner C, less paid to the C 6,000. After payment of absolute surplus, we remain rupees 3,000 cash balance. So we will paid here surplus capital in second step. So surplus capital of B is 24,000 and C is rupees 18,000. But from the 18,000 we have already paid rupees 6,000. So 18,000 minus 6,000. So in this step we have to pay only 12,000. 12,000 to the C and 24,000 to the B. But we have only rupees 3,000. So we will pay this amount by their profit sharing ratio. Pay to B and C as per their profit sharing ratio. So here is profit sharing ratio 2 as 1. B is 2 and C is 1. 2 as 1. So 3,000 divided by 3, 1,000. So 1,000 to the C and 2,000 to the B partner. So here is total 3,000 paid. After deducting this, the balance is 0. 21,000 as it is. Here is 36,000 and here is 18,000. So now there is no cash balance, so we will take second realization. Second realization on 20th February 2019. Fixed asset realized 20,000 and current asset 16,000. So total 20 plus 16, 36,000. Realization. Total amount 36,000. Now we have to rupees 36,000. So in the surplus capital we have to pay to the B rupees 24,000 and to the C rupees 12,000 because 6,000 is already paid. So 18,000 minus 6,000 is 12,000. So here 12,000 and here 24,000 to pay. So in the last step we have already paid rupees 2,000 and here rupees 1,000. See here rupees 2,000 paid to the B and rupees 1,000 paid to the C. So to the B we have to pay 22,000 and to the C we have to pay 11,000. So we have to total pay 33,000. So we will pay 33,000 less paid to B and C. To the B we will pay 22,000 and to the C we will pay 11,000. हे बघा ह्या ठिकाणी सरप्लस कॅपिटल मध्ये B ला 24,000 पेड करायचे होते आणि C ला 12,000, म्हणजे 6,000 आपण ऑलरेडी पेड केलेले आहे, त्यामुळं 18,000 मायनस 6 बरोबर 12,000, म्हणजे 12,000 सी ला आणि 24,000 बी ला. ठीक आहे. परंतु ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याकडे 3,000 शिल्लक होते, त्यावेळेस आपण 2,000 बी ला ऑलरेडी पे केले आणि 1,000 सी ला पे केलेले आहेत. म्हणजेच ह्या ठिकाणी 24,000 मायनस 2,000 इज इक्वल टू 22,000, म्हणजे इथं 22,000 भरायचे बाकी आहेत आणि इथं 18,000 मायनस 1,000 जे आपण ऑलरेडी इथं 12,000 भरायचे आहे, तर 12,000 मायनस 1,000, तर आपल्याला 11,000 पेड करायचे आहे. तर 11,000 आणि इथं 22,000. सो या ठिकाणी आपण 11,000 आणि इथं 22,000, म्हणजे जे सरप्लस कॅपिटल आहे ते आपण या ठिकाणी पेड केलेलं आहे. यांची टोटल इथे 33,000, म्हणजे जे सरप्लस कॅपिटलचं जे पेमेंट आहे ते आपण या ठिकाणी केलेलं आहे. So 36,000 minus 33,000, balance is 3,000, and here is 21,000, here is 14,000, and here is 7,000 balance. So now we have rupees 3,000 cash balance, and we have already paid in step second surplus capital already paid, absolute surplus also paid. So now we are paid adjusted capital. So we will pay this amount as per their profit sharing ratio, less paid to ABC. A, B and C. ज्यावेळेस आपण सरप्लस कॅपिटल पेमेंट करतो आणि त्यानंतर जर पैसे शिल्लक राहिले तर आपण प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशोनुसार डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतो. मग 3:1 प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो आहे, त्या ठिकाणी 3:1. So 3,000 divided by 6 is equal to 500. So here is 500, then 500 into 2, 1,000, and 500 into 3, 1,500. So total amount 3,000. We will subtract from it 6,500, then 13,000, then 19,500, and here is 0 balance. We will take another realization. So here last realization is 31st March 2019, 9,000 plus 3,000, 12,000. So 31st March 2019 realization 12,000, 9,000 plus 3,000, 12,000. And look at the adjustment. We have withdraw rupees 4,000 immediately, and the balance rupees 21,000 could be drawn only after 31st March. So after the 31st March we can withdraw rupees 20,000 from the bank. So we will withdraw here 20,000, 21,000, sorry. So total amount will be 1,000 33,000. So these 33,000 will be paid to the ABC in their profit sharing ratio. A, B, C, and their profit sharing ratio is 3 as 2 as 1. So 33,000 divided by 6 is equal to 5,500. So 5,500 to the C partner, then into 2 11,000, and then into 3 16,500. So we will distribute this amount as per their profit sharing ratio, 33,000. So after subtracting it, the cash balance remains 0. Here is 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000. This is realization loss. So we have solved this problem. Firstly, we have calculated the surplus capital and then piecemeal distribution of the cash. Thank you.